Okay, so let's get started. The first step into making customizable treats is starting with the base. Let's make the perfectly personalized ice cream from the Kickstarter guide. It's super easy to make a wide variety of delicious flavors and frozen treats just from this one recipe. It's kind of like a master recipe for a slew of flexible options. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of your preferred extract like vanilla or mint, or if you prefer chocolate ice cream, it's up to you. You can add the cocoa powder. My favorite thing about this recipe is you can personalize your base using any extracts that you like. You can use mint extract to create mint chocolate chip ice cream, root beer extract to create the ultimate root beer float experience, almond extract for toasted almond flavors, and even strawberry or raspberry flavoring to create fruity options as well. If you want to further customize this recipe, you can make it dairy-free. That is one of my favorite things to do, and you could use oat milk or coconut cream. So for our recipe, first you're going to microwave the cream cheese for 10 seconds. Then add your sugar and vanilla extract. Mix everything with a whisk until the mixture looks like frosting. Slowly whisk in the heavy cream and milk until fully combined and the sugar has mostly dissolved. Then just pour your base into an empty creamy pint, place the creamy lid on the pint, and freeze for 24 hours. The pint might seem frozen and ready before the full 24 hours, but the temperature of your base needs to be between 9 degrees Fahrenheit and -7 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much colder than the freezing point. So basically just be patient, it'll be ready the next day. For best results, just follow the freezing tips found in the very clear inspiration guide.